You know what I'm gonna react to right now. You know it, I know it, so we all know it. I don't wanna waste any more time. Let's watch this trailer right away. Let's go. Okay. ஒரு மனுஷன் இந்த உலகத்திலிருந்து ட்ரேஸே இல்லாம தூக்க முடியும் தெரிஞ்சா it can be a disaster. எனக்கு நம்ம இந்த நெட்வொர்க்கால மட்டும் அவனுக்கு பெரிய ஆளான மாதிரி தெரியல. அவனுக்கு உள்ளுக்குள்ள வேற ஏதோ ஒரு பெருசா பண்றானுங்க சார். The star cast is so good. எனக்கு தேவை அந்த ஒரு புலி, அந்த ஒத்த புலி. ஒரு என்ன விடாம தோட்டம் இறக்குடா. 30 வருஷமா ஒருத்தன் ஆஃப்லைன்லயே வச்சிருக்கேன். அவனுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது அரங்க மதிர விசில் பறக்கவே. Yes. Look at him. I like Amir's look though. சூப்பர். அவன் உங்களுக்கு அப்பாவா இருக்கலாம், ஆனா அவன் எனக்கு நண்பன். A certification this movie got, na? A lot's going on. It's gonna be brutal. Look at that title card. The last shot. Okay, that was a lot. That was a lot, guys. Let me stop this. I don't know about anyone else. You guys are very much free to share your opinion in the comments, but I loved this trailer for the very fact that it just did not overhype the film. I love that fact because Lokesh knows already that my movie is hyped. Coolie is extremely hyped. Like we are holding our breaths and waiting for its release. Lokesh has given us everything else. He's given us really great songs. I mean, come on, Powerhouse. I don't even know how many times I have listened to it. Like my phone is broken now at this point. How many times I've listened to it, I have lost count. So the hype, I think the kind of hype that is already created pre this trailer, it's great. Now he has given us a trailer with a lot of, I mean, he's concealed a lot of things, but he has also given us the world. He's saying that, you know what, this is the world I'm giving you. This is Rajni sir's character. Yes, he's going to have the elevation moments. We all know that. We all know everything. And the fact that this movie has gotten an A certification. It has gotten an A certification, and still, if you watch the trailer, you would think, A certification. I can't see that. I mean, whatever I'm seeing seems okay. No, it is deliberate. I feel it is so freaking deliberate, because someone would look at this trailer and say it didn't need A certification. Like, nothing is that obvious, but I feel it is. The themes that are going to be presented here, there are so many characters. So the trailer for me, I mean, did so many things in terms of, first, did not reveal anything in terms of the storyline. That is, I'm happiest about that, because now I'm intrigued how all of this connects together. There are subtle hints saying that, okay, like there's one dialogue over here saying that how did the network become so big? It cannot happen like that, because something really massive is going in the background. That is one clue. So is it a network of 3-4 people who have an understanding and who are doing obviously some illegal stuff, because Sobin is in charge of the docks, right? He's looking at the cargo and he knows what is there in the cargo and what is not. So some illegal stuff must be happening. Nagarjuna, then Amir Khan, like Satyaraj. I am saying that all of these people are like, they fit into a puzzle, and I mean, they're like, components of a machine to move that machine smoothly, right? And even there is this one dialogue in the beginning when the trailer starts, that if you are to wipe out somebody's existence, right, without knowing, it can be dangerous. I feel in between some context is missing. It is still missing. That's what I felt, right? So we are given an introduction to this world. We know Rajni sir's character is probably a loner. He was some big deal. He was some big deal in the past. Again, when you see the last shot, I mean, you don't see him, but you know it's him. Like, he used to be this huge deal, because if you see Satyaraj's dialogue, why did you come back? So little clues here and there. And I love the music. I love the song that is used. All of that is great. And I think his character, I mean, there's going to be brutality. The glimpses are there. It doesn't feel like, oh, A certification, why? But I think it's going to be there. You can see certain hints over here. But his character seems, I mean, yeah, he's going to have the elevation moments, but there are nuances there. There are layers over there. Why is he a loner? What is, Shruti Hassan, he's, I mean, like a family friend to her. What happened to her dad? Who's her dad? Like, all this, there's so many question marks. So that is what has gotten me intrigued. And I loved how this trailer did not overhype this whole thing. It was like, you don't have to show larger than life stuff, because the movie is already very hyped, and he is like, this is what I'm going to give you. These are the characters, this is the setting, this is the world, all of that. And this is going to be a story regarding all of this. So come and watch. That's why I loved the trailer. Why did you love, like, did not like, hated this trailer? Anything could be your opinion. I would love to know in the comments. Also, one point about the cinematography. The couple of frames were really good. I'm looking forward to the action scenes, because, again, in my head, why A certification? So this trailer actually is going to raise a lot of questions that, okay, what's going on? What is this character? What are their relationships? What is the dynamics? You don't know anything. And this is 3 minutes. So I think edited out really well. So from my perspective, this works for me. But I can see why it might not work for a couple of people or a section of people, because you might be waiting for, oh, something big is gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It just did not happen in the trailer, is what I felt. Yeah. Yes. So that's what is my judgment right now. But I would love to know your opinion. I would understand if you tell me that, no, this trailer really disappointed me, because yes, I was expecting some larger than life thing. Sue me. No, don't sue me. I completely understand your expectation. So if you had that expectation and if you feel disappointed, please share your feelings in the comments. I would love to know that. I would love to read that. And I acknowledge you. I definitely acknowledge you. But I told you why it worked for me. So that was my reaction to the official trailer of Coolie. I cannot wait for the release of this film. And I'm going to sign off now. And I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.